Hello, in this video I will teach you that how you can make this beautiful slide design in PowerPoint. So let's start to design it. First of all, I will take the circle. So I will draw the circle in the slide. Then I will adjust its size and increase its size 7.2 centimeter, and also its width and its height. And after that I will draw another circle, and this time this circle will be little bit bigger than the previous than the circle that I draw before. Now I will adjust its size to 8.4 centimeter. Then after that I will center align these two circles as well as middle align. When I make it align, so I will change its transparency and decrease its transparency. After that I will draw the rectangle and will cut the circle to the 1/3 of its height. So when I adjust this circle, so then after that I will go to select the circle in the rectangle and then will go to merge it. After that I will change the color of the circle and will remove the outline with no outline. I will also remove the outline from the this circle also. And after that I will add some 3D effect. So shadows, I will take this rectangle and will adjust the size according to the requirement. I will also remove the outline and will adjust the size and height of this rectangle. After that I will change its color to black and then I will send it to back. After this I will take the copy by holding Control button and drag it. So I will just take it to the other side, and for this I will make it I will flip it horizontally. I will also send it to back. I will change the color of this circle to white, as it not clearly seen, so I will apply some effect to it. For this I will select this circle and go to the format shape. After the format shape I will go to here and will in the preset I will select the shadow preset. So then I will adjust its size and its blur and its transparency also. Now it's looking little bit fine. It's looking beautiful. Let me do some other adjustment. So now it's look good. Now I will add another circle to it. Now I will add another circle to it. So I will take the circle from these drawing shapes and will draw a small circle and will place at the top and will align to middle. Let first change its color to black, then its outline shapes to greenish color and make its width little bit bigger to 3 points or 2.5 points is also fine. Now I increase its size. I will increase the size up to 2.2 centimeter width height as well as 2.2 centimeter height. Now I will select this one and then I will go to the alignment and make it center align. I will make the outline white because the white outline looks good. I will increase the width of its outline. Then after I need another circle, so I will draw here to make it more beautiful. So I will adjust it to center line. Then I will go to here and increase its size little bit more, and I will select no fill color, and I will select both and make it middle align and center align so that it's perfectly aligned. Now I will select this part and this part, and will select send to front so that the circle go behind that semicircle. Now I will make a dotted line or dash line. That's fine. Now I'll come and change the color to black. Black is not looking good, so I will take it to green. Okay, so now you see that how beautiful this is made. Now I will add some text here. And do some minor adjustment. Alignment is very important because it make the graphic more beautiful. I will write some text here, and after that I will select it and increase the font size. Now you see that this font size increases, but it make it little bit disturbance. So I will go here and will go to the this text box option and will remove all the margin, either the margin to the left, right, top, bottom. So it's look fine. I will also increase the size of this graphs of this text also. No, white color is not looking fine, so I will make it black again. I will take another box and will write some random text. For this I will write equal to rand parenthesis, and the 2 means that I am making I want to paragraphs, but it's too much quiet text, so I will delete the extra text and will only make the text that adjusted in this graphics. I will take it here and will make it middle alignment. After that I will select all these and holding the control button and drag it to the left side. So I will take the first copy, then I will drag it to the right, but you should hold the control button at the same time. Now I bring some colors, so I will change the color of these circles as well as this dash line color. And then I will change the second circle color to the yellowish color as well as these lines. So now you can see, I will delete this colors, and now you can see that how beautiful this graphs are made. Now I will take another rectangle and will make a header portion for this graphic. So I will go to the gradients and change its color to gradients. For the first gradient I will take this color. For the second gradient I will take the yellowish color. For the fourth gradient I will delete it, and for the third gradient I will take this greenish color. I will adjust its gradients direction like this, and I will remove the outlines, a little bit increase its size. Now I will apply some presets so that it look like 3D. Preset 4 is fine. I will just move these graphics to below little bit and also adjust this bar. I will make it to center align to the slide and change the preset to something like this one is looking fine. We'll do some movement to the slide. I will add some text here. make it bold, and we'll change the font style to another. This one is fine. And I will make 12 into a center. So now now you can look, that's how beautiful this slide is made. So you can make your slide something like this. If you like this video and you want more videos like this, so you can subscribe and share the channels with other. So I will come with another designs and formats. So thank you very much for watching the video.